So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Ed. So if you are new here, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. So guys, this is the part 3 of English vocabulary, and in this video we'll be covering about 4 to 5 doctors, and we will be recapitulating some of the root words we learned in the previous video. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we'll be having a recap of the words which we already did, like in the previous video. So first is hypodermis, the word, and hypodermis is derived from two root words. First is hypo, and the another one is dermis. Dermis we covered in the previous video. If you haven't watched this video, just go and watch it out. I'll share the link of that video in my description box or comment box. So dermis means skin, hypo means under, and dermis means skin. We learn the root word dermis with the word derma, and I also give you an example of dermiford, the cream. Okay, so under the skin is known as hypodermis. So yeah, the next word, root word, is epidermis. Again, it is derived from two words. First is epi and another one is dermis. Epi means outer layer and dermis means skin. So outer layer of skin is known as epidermis. We have to remember these root words. Epi doesn't only is not a root word of this particular word only. Epi is a root word of many words, right? So that's why I'm making you all learn root words first of all. Then we'll be going to the vocabulary of that particular word. So epi means outer layer, and dermis is derived from the word derma, which means skin. The another slide is doctor. We'll be covering the doctor named as ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist is derived from the three root words. First is ophthalmos. Ophthalmos means eyes. Ophthalmos का मतलब होता है eye. Logos I already taught you that logos means study or science, and ist means the person who. So in if we go in the reverse order, as I already told you, whenever we make the meaning of a particular word by its root word, then we need to have a reverse way, right? So it means the person who study eye is known as ophthalmologist. We have a confusion between optician, but that's wrong. Optician is the one who checks our eyes and tell us the number, like if we have some problem in our eye, he or she will be telling us the number or the eyesight number, right? But he won't be giving the medicines to cure. The one who gives medicines to cure eye infection or eye problem is known as ophthalmologist. Okay, so the next doctor we will be covering is orthopedist. Orthopedist is derived from two root words. First is orthos, another one is ist. It also have one more like root word which means pedos. Some students would be saying that, but no. Sometimes root words may not be like you are not able to use root words in each and every single words out there, right? So there are some specific exceptions to those words. So one of them is orthopedist. Orthopedist also covers the root word pedos, but actually its meaning doesn't relate with that, right? So orthos means straight and ist means the person who. So if we go in a reverse order, it says as the person who straight. So like जो straight करता है हमारी bones, right? उसे हम बोलते हैं orthopedist. The one who helps us to make our joints, our bones, our limbs to be straightened is known as orthopedist. Another one is orthodontics. I guess it's very obvious if we have learned orthopedist. So it is derived from two words. First is orthos, which means straight again, and dontos means tooth or for teeth. So the one who straightens the teeth is known as orthodontics. You know, we always say the doctor of the teeth as dentist, but we never say orthodontics because we never went into such depth of the knowledge, like why we don't call like doctor of tooth as orthodontics, why only dentist, right? So orthodontics is the one who straightens the teeth. The doctor who treats teeth or tooth cavity is known as dentist, and the one who straightens the teeth is known as orthodontics. So the another word for today is another doctor is cardiologist. This is a very familiar one. Cardiologist covers two root words, which is cardia and ist. Ist is already familiar to you all, guys. So cardio, it is derived from cardia, which means heart, and ist means the person who. So the person who heart, it doesn't make any sense. Actually, there's one more root word, which is logos, that means science. So the person who studies heart is known as cardiologist. Actually, it's three root words. First is cardia, another one is logos, and the third one is ist. Logos means science or study, so it says as a person who studies heart is known as cardiologist. So the another doctor for the day is neurologist. It's very easy one. Neurologist is derived from two root words. First is nerve and the another one is ist. Actually, it's also made up of three root words. I've just not written logos because it's now very much familiar to all, guys, because we have been studying that same root word for past two videos. So yeah, there are three root words. First is neuron, second is logos, and the third one is ist. So it says as a person who studies nerve is known as neurologist. Actually, logos means study or science. So the person who study nerves is known as neurologist. I hope it's very much clear to you all, guys. So the another doctor is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is derived from two root words. First is psyche, another one is ist. Actually, there is no root word like logos or something that we can relate to study. So like in root words we have a disadvantage that we need to correlate something somewhere or the another, right? So if we go in the reverse order, it says as the person who mind, no, it would be the person who studies mind is known as psychiatrist. Okay, and I'll also suggest you to have a look over the or the glance over the spelling of psychiatrist, because I don't know why sometimes students may spell it as wrong. Okay, they may start it as started from s instead of p. So yeah, thank you guys for watching till the end. You are watching this video on the channel Study Earth. So if you find this video helpful, then please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I have already posted two parts of this like English vocabulary, and if you haven't watched it out, then just go and watch it out. I'll share the link in the comment box and share it with your friends if you find this video helpful.